Now, we have a small island commentary from our resident Trinidadian. The union says you have to have at least one of them on every show. So here he is, Tobago Slim.
Thank you, Delroy. Thank you, Peaches. Well, as you all know, my small island of Trinidad and Tobago is also in the Caribbean, just like Jamaica. I have come across many tourists or white people that have mistaken the lovely, lovely dialect that is spoken in my country for the harsh and aggressive accent that the Jamaicans are known for. Now, as...
How would this Trinidad talk about?
And their rudeness as well. Now, the Trinidadian accent is a nice, sing-songy, and unintimidating one. The Jamaican accent is very scary sounding. I have been to many children's birthday parties in a Jamaican household and seen little children cry after Jamaican men have sang happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey, what you cry for? Blood your blood clot candle. So, in conclusion,
there is nothing harsh about the Jamaican accent, all right? Nothing.
In Jamaica, the men, them sound like man. Not like in Trinidad where them sound like little schoolgirl.
Yeah, we may sound like little schoolgirls, but unlike Jamaica, at least our women don't sound just like the men.
Well, the man them in Trinidad might as well sound like the girl them because everybody know the man them in Trinidad are all panty man.
Well, you think as a country Jamaicans could export something else other than weed and deportees?
Whoa, stop the fighting. This is a respectable program. Besides, everybody knows that the harshest accent and the most batty men come from Barbados.
That's true.
Now stay tuned for Cooking with Go. Good night.
Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. With me here I have a very interesting video about the Jamaican vibe. But before we even dive in, I'd love to encourage you to like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video so that it can be recommended to a lot of people as much as possible. So guys, without wasting your time, let's have a dive in and have a good laugh.
Is the soup ready? Hmm? Soup's ready, sir?
Let go me, man. Let go me, bomb clam. And let me blood out all and to bomb clam, man. Let me blood out of me, man.
Box up on your blood clam.
That's the very quietest one.
Yeah, I understand.
That's my experience with Chanel. Chanel? What the bomb clock wrong with you? You say you want me to do video for school and you stand up here and scratch up your kitty.
It's just normal.
What do you mean by normal? You now wash the kitty?
I am.
So why you scratch it up so? The school I go see where you do, you cannot put that video to school. Because them I go see say you scratch up the kitty head. And when the kitty do make you scratch it up so, you now wash it.
Because of you. You're the reason why.
How? Am I beard you?
No.
You have knit. You must have knit to bumbuckler make you scratch up yourself so. You stand up and dig up yourself. You must learn for beard man. Beard properly.
I do. It's because of you.
Don't tell me say because of me how you go get it. How me must give you knit. And me make you not beard? You scratch up the kitty head. You dig off the head of the puss. Eh? Why you dig off the puss head? When the puss do you? This thing needs for head. This is rubbish. This is bullshit. Why you stand up and scratch your kitty like the kitty head full of life and it?
Well, thank you very much, Miss Zimbabwe. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the Miss Universe stage, Maxine Livingston, Miss Jamaica. You certainly seem to be a favorite, Maxine. Maybe you'd like to tell me a little bit about your outfit.
This is one original article outfit this year.
Have we got a translator around here somewhere? Someone that can speak Jamaican, anybody? Oh, yes, you, sir. Please, come on up. Come on in here. Thank you very much for helping us out. Maxine, what would you do if you became Miss Universe?
I want to know what the first thing I do if I win this thing.
Let me tell you, first thing, right? This contest, I want idiot business this year. They must surround me with a bunch of marga white girl who not eat nothing but rotted salad. And me can't find no oxtail and no rice and peas, no place. I'm tired of this idiot blood clot white boy ask me. This idiot blood clot white boy ask me my business, you know. You must tell him for quick. Bomber clot.
That sounds like a very spirited answer, and I can't wait to hear the translation.
She says in her first 10 days of taking office, as Miss Universe, I would immediately impose a total moratorium on nuclear weapons. I would demand the G8 enact bold fiscal policies to forgive third world debt so that the young people could have a future. And finally, I would mediate a global summit to do an everlasting truce between the two warring factions, between Beanie Man and Bounty Killer. Thank you.
I have to say that I'm almost brought to tears.
Oh, you telling me say them things? Me never said them things. How you telling me say them things? This man a butty boy.
Well, thank you, Miss Jamaica. What's a butty boy?
Means you're a man among men.
Let me say in your native tongue, I'm a butty boy and dutty bumbaclot. Thank you, Maxine Livingston, Miss Jamaica!
$50, 69, $. This one can't read, but him can eat. Come. Here's 50. Yes, same. You're same.
I make a report after that.
Abasi, we've been waiting on you for a number of crash reports. Who is this man with you?
A coach.
Coach. State your name, sir.
Mills, sir.
What?
Glenn Mills.
Mills.
Yeah.
Mills, no? It's like you're eating for the whole Olympic team. I know what your documents you're saying. Because I'm going to charge you for 2 crashes. Yes, listen. I don't tell lies, sir. Well, sometime. This is the truth.
You know how that left?
The first crash is double. I hear that a farsa was listening to, and the whole place was choked off. When did he leave?
Yes, a pastor was there, and he left when Chino ran.
Hush up. I'm not speaking to you, no, sir. Because I'm charging you too. I'm going to deal with a farsa second. Okay. You overweight coaches are because half these athletes going over the speed limit in us. Coach Theodore with more half the reggae boys can play football. Can you run, sir? Well, can you even run on this spot? Listen, my job is to... Your job? A liar to deal with the second crash that took place in our son. Now we.
0.75 plus 0.6 meters per second. Well, she'll remember that kind of adventures.
We're going to have to extradite him up there to deal with that. With signal. So now, Name supper. We're going to be screaming like young pigs. No, but no mercy. You know a flying aircraft in a master. This is the second white girl you're crashing into. You never satisfied with the first Slovak. Take your one phone call, cause your coach can't help you today. Hello? Hello? Bugsy? Bugsy? I think you should try Lisa. Lisa Harry.
Using it. Tell people that now.
Come and do the video.
Tell them something was not using
Come
you.
and do the video. We listen, but we don't judge, challenge.
Why not?
Basically, we say things from the past that might annoy each other, get on each other's nerves, but we're not allowed to get angry or we're not allowed to judge. We're not allowed to judge. Cool.
People, listen, but don't judge.
That is it. So when I was in secondary school, I used to get in trouble a lot, naughty, get a lot of detentions, a lot. But then there was a period where man weren't really getting detentions like that. But that's because I told the teachers, every time you give me a detention, when I go back home, I'd get abused by my mum and my dad. So yeah, we listen and we don't judge.
What you say, look why? What you really say, look why? Eh? What you say, look why? Me and your mother abuse you when you grow up?
No, but...
Eh?
But
what? Come on, this make me hear that.
You can't judge.
Me a blood clot judge. Let me tell you that. Me. Right? People, you say right now, listen, but don't judge. Right? I say right now, hear what happened. Me remember when him a pitney, yeah. I know what happened. The cat that stop shit in our room. And what me do? Me always take up a shit and put in a film room.
Wait, what? Are
How
you
you
mad?
What?
Are you mad?
We are chat, boy. How much cat shit to clean up?
Do you want me to grab your cranium with my one hand, blood? What do you
What?
say?
Me say how much cat shit you usually clean up?
So you're telling me
Yes.
every time the cat shit in my room, I mean your room, you put it in my room?
Yes.
So why would you do that?
I mean,
You're pushing
because
us.
you piss the bed every night. That's why.
You know why I piss the bed every night? Like I said, he was abusing me. He was abusing me.
Oh, who was abusing you? Oh, me look like I abused you, eh? Well, you know what? Me now blood clot in this video, yeah, right? You can't do the blood clot video. No. Me a come out. I was not abusing you. Tell people that now.
Come and do the video.
Tell them something was not abusing
Come
you.
and do the video.
Tell them something was not abusing you.
Come and do the video.
Me said tell them something was not abusing you. Tell them now.
He was abusing me.
Tell them now.
He was
You're a
abusing me.
blood clot lion, right? I know what we should do. We should have called you cat shit. Go ahead.
How old are you?
Cat shit.
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 I tell you the truth, you know. When I'm a bad man, you know, girlfriend.
Emily. Crooks.
Emily
Crooks.
Emily, whatever. Anyway, when me I say Emily.
Are you clean?
Yeah?
Never smoke anything before you came this morning?
Me smoke weed. You have a problem with that?
You smoke weed?
Yeah.
Or you get it? Plant it?
A girl, you are a real informer, you know, man.
Emily. Have to keep correcting you. Where
know, so you give me answer like a you named Keisha.
Eh? Your wife give you problems?
Anyway, when me I say, Emily.
Your wife give you problems?
You're too fast, Emily, man. I know that to come here to deal with.
That's why I'm a journalist. I ask the question.
I say, your man supposed to not like you.
Yeah? That's very, very personal. We want to get back to the nitty-gritty.
So we want to get back going in me and Keisha life. You never know say me and Keisha life personal, but you want to dig down in my one. Eh?
We're going to take a break. When
you better broke up.
Catch all.
Catch your bumbo flat. Boy, you have video. You have video, your bum.
I bought it. Where's that?
Suck me.
Girl, stop perplexing my brains right now. Right now you're perplexing my brains. Okay? You are perplexing my brains. Do not slam the door anymore. Okay?
I'm not. I didn't slam it. I just closed it a little bit.
No, you slammed the door, Cyan. You slammed the door, Cyan. Cyan, you slammed the flipping door. If you slam the door again, I'm gonna you up. If you slam the door one more time, I'm gonna up now.
I'm not.
Okay. Alright. Okay, you close the door like this.
You don't need to shut up more time. Where's that? Where's that while ago, my youth? You can't tell big man to shut up. And if you remember, say, me bring you come here, you know, me take you a see me just for that, you know. Wait about, I noticed from where there you start, get a little whistle wetting up and you go on like say, well then you stop pee your pants and them something. You come tell man to shut up like you're a big man now. Well, you think you're a big man now, my youth? So you get big? You're still me little boy.
He needs some milk.
Like you're a big man. You can't tell big man about shut up, my youth.
Okay, so then shh then.
Now you to come back again, come tell me the same thing again. Me just a war with you and say, you can't tell me for shut up, but you come back, come tell me, she, what the difference? My youth.
It's more respectful.
What do you mean more
respectful? You don't want me to say that.
My youth, you can't tell me that. In my time, as my youth, you couldn't tell my parents. Okay, I couldn't even think about it, my youth, like the box in my face.
Okay, I'm looking about the sushi place down
I don't want no, my youth, I don't want no sushi. It's sushi. I don't want no sushi.
You act like a real bitch, man. Like seriously. I'm turn off this. No, you act like a bitch. You act like a bitch. I'm turn off this camera.
What did you just say a while ago? What did you just say a while ago? What did you just say a while ago?
I'm not gonna repeat what I said.
Did you just say me act like a little bitch?
No, I'm not gonna repeat what I said. I'm not gonna repeat.
Anybody a bitch in this friggin' carries you are the bitch. You're the biggest goddamn bitch I have. I ask you to do something for me. You're gonna do something for me. I know you're gonna do this and you're gonna do that. I know you're come and talk about me as a bitch.
I'm gonna bring you home. I'm gonna bring you home.
Bitch, carry me the fuck home. Problem. Somebody a fucking problem is you. You seem like shut up. Don't say nothing more. Don't fucking say nothing more, bitch. Don't say nothing more.
See again.
If you say the word one more time, I'll top you right near your nose.
I'm not saying.
You see your nose? I make your nose drop off of your face.
That's okay, I'm not saying
that is what me I gonna do. I'm gonna make you lose your nose off of your face.
It's okay, I'm not saying.
And couple teeth out of your mouth.
Can you stop spitting on me?
May I spit on you?
Yeah, you're spitting on me.
You lucky me I spit on you. You spit a fly, I want it from here, you blind you. That's what I want it for do. But me not spit on you. If you spit on, we don't spit on people that come to you and do that.
Don't cooperate, baby. Why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica? It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, hey, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have dreads. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we are taking the plane. All you hear is, wall, sit down. Talk about hijack your mother. They hit it with the pussy, you know me. Cause that's a word in Jamaica. Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans in here, I'm sorry. Y'all the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing. They the blue. Just simple shit. What you mean, what I want to drink? You want me shut up this whole bomber clad club, post the wall? You know me? I love them, but they angry. I don't understand it, man. And you from Jamaica. How the fuck are you so mad? I've been to Jamaica. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's great weather. You go to the beach, the water's blue. You know what I'm saying? You ever go to the beach in New York? We should be mad. You go to the beach in New York? Nigga, you would come out with a drug addiction. Nigga go swimming and come out like, oh shit. Oh shit, nigga. What happened here? I was swimming, nigga. Damn, I can't swim no more. Shit, are you mad at Jamaica? They ain't hijacking no plane full of Jamaicans. They ain't hijacking no plane going to Africa either, because Africans ain't going for that bullshit. You get on Air Africa talking about, hello, we are taking the plane. They be like, oh shit, this motherfucker. Dumbugu. No, I think he's trying to take the plane. No, I'm going to speak to him. No, I will take care of this. Don't move. Hey, Mr. Hijacker, come here. Oh, I'm sleepy. My God, y'all, peace out.
Place flood out. Everything
no,
in the...
hold on. Tell me, you were in, what happened? You were there asleep?
Yes, Rosie and her family were sleeping. Waking up, feel water and waking up. Right through the house, through the bathroom, through every door, kitchen door, every door. Everything in the house flood out. Let me talk about everything. No bed, no dead for sleep on. Settee, where you could have rest in. Phone, where you could have make phone call and video for sure. Everything flood out. I want back every single piece
so
of
what happened? You were sleeping and...
We were sleeping.
Yeah, and?
We were sleeping,
yeah.
Hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, say water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there. I want back everything. Cause from Olivia, a Sunlight Street, from here 2 months old, just one out of my mother. Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street, so here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Or any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet. I there here before my maiden take and me never see it yet. So anybody see them lie, cause we never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop, phone, everything. A 5 phone flood, I want back everybody. Name brand furniture, name brand bed, and name brand car. Everybody flood out and want back everything. So, baby can't catch meningitis. And shit water and gully water. The baby from my baby, my nephew baby will come up. She flood out too with her baby, nice, pretty, clean skin baby them. Flood out, not a pimples, mosquito bite, nothing. Right now, you know what can happen to them? Them need to go to hospital. And we need all type of something to clean out the germs. And the fly them starting at the house now, no come look again. And it can't go on, so. We have to do better.
Hold on, what caused it?
What caused it? The workman them cause everything. With all them cut the bridge, and none of them not coming at the yard for come look or go on. If them do just fix back right there, sir, the house on the flood out. Is the bridge cause everything? Is this big contract what going on at Sunlight Street, 21.5 Sunlight Street, Kingston 13, cause every single soul things what happen in my yard. Last night to this morning at 3:30, flooding, the baby them could have been drowned in. We need justice, real justice we need. Justice we need. One back of furniture. And on a 30 grand bed in there and a 30 grand dresser. And a 30 grand fridge and a 30 grand rat nut. And a 30 grand and a 10 grand night table, touch lamp. Everybody, flat screen in there, mash up. Flood out the shit water and gully water. Nobody not come for look. Uncle the cameraman, it can't work, so we need justice! Justice! We need justice! We need justice over the yard there and the other yard. We need it. Can't you see the condition we're in? And the germs and the nasty. Right now on the left out, a fly start at the place. 2 baby there, they don't look good. Call the contractor. We need the contractor. For the work here, we start. We need him. We want back everybody. Everybody. We want disinfectant, GS, Dettol, soap powder, all type of things to clean out the house. The baby them get meningitis. Them are sick and dead. We want justice. We need justice.
I grew up around black people. You don't scare me. I grew up around Jamaicans, man. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. Any Jamaicans here tonight? They're like the most passive Jamaicans ever. They're like, Bobo lick shot. Hi, man, a brethren is a Jamaican. Look at this. Quietest Jamaicans in the world. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. You know why? Because when I was growing up around Jamaicans, you hang around Jamaican people long enough, you feel the need to want to be Jamaican. They just look so cool. Everything about them is cool. When I was a kid, I was like, I wanted to be Jamaican so bad. I started dressing like a Jamaican. I started wearing a little red, yellow, and green belt. And I started talking like a Jamaican. I started listening to reggae music. I started having kids I didn't know about. I did everything that I possibly could. But you know what the shitty thing is? A Jamaican will never act like you. You're never gonna see a Jamaican guy that grew up in a bunch of Indian guys walking around going, hey baby, wappening, wappening. It's not gonna happen, you know? Felt bad for my dad because he tried fitting in with my Jamaican friends when I was growing up. You don't ever want a man from India trying to speak like a Jamaican at any point during his life. My friends would be in the living room, my dad walking, okay, come on, Marlon, move your bumbo clot and go home. My dad thought punani was a tropical fruit. It is, if you think about it. For the older white folks that look confused right now, punani is the Jamaican word for a woman's. You know what I'm saying? For her pum-pum. My dad thought it was a tropical fruit. One time when I was a kid, I was sick and I was messing around with my dad. He came here and he goes, oh my God, son, you're sick. What can I get you? I go, Dad, I love punani. My dad went to the Jamaican store. Hey lady, where's your punani? My son is at home sick. He needs punani right now. Give me 2. Is it ripe? Let me squeeze it. No seeds.
I hope you loved the video. So with me, I just have to say thank you so much for taking your time to come back and view my videos. To my new subscribers, to my new viewers, I want you to feel much welcomed on board. Otherwise, I'm your host Larry, and until we meet again, peace out.